using ChatGPT, enter your Google account, search ChatGPT, and open the first website, which is OpenAL. In that website, choose Try ChatGPT. In this page, you have to choose login or sign up. If this is the first time you're using this website, choose sign up. Here you can sign up either with your email address, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. Then you have to verify your phone number, and a verification code has been sent to your phone number. After that, you can start your conversation with ChatGPT in any languages that you want.